Today we are going to talk about the COVID-19 cases, our current issues in our country. We know that our whole country are caused by COVID-19 cases. So for today's meeting, we are really serious. Especially somehow we know that the amount of death cases are increased by day. So we will discuss about how to prevent from the COVID-19 cases and the strategical ways from how overcome from the COVID-19 cases for be sure that our employees are being safe to work from our office days. So we start our meeting for today's issue.
Good morning, Ms. Dineshwari. I will start this morning sessions with a report on some of the latest developments in the COVID-19 case in our company. As we all know, the safety and health of our employee is our top priority. Therefore, I have to detect that there are 2 cases among our staff who have been infected with the COVID-19 epidemic. However, in order to reduce the infection in our company, the 2 employees need to quarantine for 1 week at home.
Okay. So, Zara, the clarification about the COVID-19 cases are really helpful to know us about the cautions and how dangerous are COVID-19 case issues. Moreover, we should know about the strategical for overcome from the COVID-19 cases in our company. So that we know the strategical ways from overcome. We will be discussed with Ms. Rifan. So I want to know about the operation time of working time in our office days.
Okay. Regarding the strategy to overcome COVID-19 case in our company, we need to focus on several key areas. Firstly, we should imply strict hygiene protocol throughout our workplace, including regular cleaning and disinfection of common areas. Secondly, we may need to consider adjusting our work timing to minimize overcrowding and allow for social distancing. This could involve stage shift or remote work arrangement where feasible. Furthermore, we should provide adequate training and resource to our staff on how to protect themselves and others from the virus. By taking this proactive measure, we can reduce the risk of COVID-19 transmission in our company and ensure the safety of our employees.
I agree. We need to focus on improving monitoring and compliance procedure to ensure that everyone follows safety protocol with disciplines. To ensure that the COVID-19 virus does not spread in the workplace and among others, employers should focus primarily on keeping themselves from becoming infected.
Okay, as well we know that our employees are really important for being safe while working time, and also they are really need some early precautions before they are entering to our company. So Miss Amy, you really know about how to make them safe while working time, and the main thing while they are using our office properties. By the way, Miss Amy, would you suggest about the Al-Hiban?
I offer you all to do a self-examination if you have a system of COVID-19. If it is positive, you need to contact the government hospital to take you to the COVID-19 care center. I also suggest family members and people who have met you to also get tests for COVID-19 to prevent them from contracting COVID-19. I also recommend that you all to take COVID-19 vaccine and install the MySejahtera application to ensure that your healthy is a safe level. I hope you do not share equipment in the office and advise your family member not to share personal equipment. That's it for me.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay. So we need to take steps such as providing all employers with COVID-19 safety protocol guide, holding online information session on safety procedure, ensuring periodic information delivery on the development of COVID-19 in the workplace, and promoting compliance with health and safety instruction issued by local and government authorities. In addition, they also need to provide emotional support to every employer who may experience anxiety related to COVID-19 situation.
All employers must wear a face mask in their office and prioritize safety for themselves and others.
Therefore, we are from safety side agree that it is important for employer to comply with all SOP and preventive instruction to reduce the risk of COVID-19 infection, such as instruction to wear face mask and maintain social distance.
So, well, we know that our strategical way. So now we will discuss about some suggestions to how to deal with the COVID-19 cases. Since we know that COVID-19 cases are really risk day by day, even we know that death cases are really increased. So we will have some challenges for overcome from the COVID-19 cases. So well, I want to know about the really detailed about COVID-19 cases from overcome from our employers from infected by COVID-19 cases.
Alright, for me to maintain safety, ensure 1 meter physical distancing between employers, avoid handshake, promote frequent hand washing, and provide hand sanitizer at every table.
We follow Ministry of Health, WHO and ILO guidelines to prevent COVID-19 spread. We maintain calibrated temperature measuring equipment, provide ample hand sanitizer, and priorities employer health.
As for me, we also need to provide emotional support to every employer who may experience anxiety related to workplace. We need to have a flexible work arrangement like implement remote work policies where feasible to reduce the risk of transmission in workplace.
I suggest we tight head monitoring of employees. We can enforce daily temperature check and period screening to detect COVID-19 symptoms more quickly.
In my view, follow basic preventive measures such as wearing a face mask when leaving the room and avoiding contact with other people, washing your hands frequently, and when you are back from work, open all the windows in the house for good ventilation. Do not share towels, kitchen utensils whether at home or at work, and personal cleaning item. If possible, stay in the separate room or bedroom from other family members. Avoid using public transportation or taxis.
In our efforts to maintain a safe and healthy work environment for all our employees, the addition of a hand sanitizer corner or spray time is highly recommended in every corner or table in the various scope of tasks. In addition, a body temperature scanner at the entrance to prevent high-risk workers from being infected with others.
So well, so any of you have any suggestions? So far. So well, thank you so much for being cooperate for today's meeting. I really hope that our employees are being safe and secure, and our plan also being going good and as well. And I really appreciate for your working with all of you as being a best staff I ever worked. Thank you. That's all.